Warrior Gamer.
What's up guys, welcome to my vlog. Today we are at Loon Lake! Woo! So guys, so now we're in a place that we have to get water. We have to get water to drink, wash our hands. We got to go to home. Guys. And you guys, we filled up. We filled it up full of water. This is full of a whole can of water. Look at that got. You guys, now Bobby wants to show you something. Yeah. See? This is just the end root. I'm gonna actually eat it. Guys, did you know there is berries here? Berries you can eat. They're not poisonous. They're healthy. Guys, here, I want to show you on camera. Look at that. I want to try it. And see my face going to eat it. Oh. I found another one. Guys, come here. To remind you, this is kind of sour. It's kind of sour. I found another one. Very like. Guys, I just did a very quick thing. Hey guys, just to make you a little bit happier, I'm gonna do this for you. Drink some Crush. Listen, you always have to do this if you make a good video. Nice and refreshing. We're gonna peel this thing down. We're gonna get wood for our campfire. This is gonna be awesome. And Chris gonna grab that stuff and eat all the stuff. That is very second. Guys, so we just got some wood, and we could be in this mirror. I'm gonna pick it up. Oh, oof! There it goes. And on the other side, it goes in a tree box thing. Yes, go inside. Now this one has to go out. God, it's very heavy. Oh, pick it up and throw it. Now that's the good one. Okay guys, so this is how short we have so far. We've got a couple, like, bars, you know. I like it. This is some big ones that we haven't actually like axed yet. It's pretty strong, I'll say. Pretty strong. I'm gonna go to our campfire right here. Look at this. This is where we're gonna put all these cut out pieces of wood. These ones are going in there. These ones are going to still be axed and go putting in here. So guys, I did that one now we just down. We're gonna see them over there. I'm strong, guys. Don't try this out. Camping. It's very tough. This is tough work. Guys, we're gonna keep on going with the wood. Guys, now we're gonna break some trees. Some wood. This is very tough. Guys, how far are we going right now? Far.